Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the Prersent shape card, which is available in my ScanNCut cutting file shop at applelover53.co.uk/shop. Then just scroll down to ScanNCut cutting files. So I've cut all the elements already. These are all the elements that you get in your cutting file. You just cut them from whatever you want to. So I've cut my base card from some plain basic white. It's got the score line already in it, and I've folded it just to save some time. This is just how I'm going to assemble mine. So the pattern piece of paper is just going to go on first on the bottom. So for that I'm going to stick it down flat, and I'm just going to use some wet glue just to give me a bit of time to wiggle it round in place. And I'm just going to stand the base card up and hold the two pieces together. I'm just rubbing lightly with my hand. You can do it with a bone folder just to kind of distribute the glue. Then I've got this section that's going to go on next. So that's going to go like that. So I'm going to glue this down. I'm just going to glue this down flat. You could run this through an embossing folder. You know, you don't have to do it in card. You do it however you want. I think this would be good for Christmas. Make a nice Christmas present shape card. You know, if you did it in traditional reds and greens, or you could do it in blues and silvers, that kind of thing. It's entirely up to you. This piece is going to go on next. Now this piece isn't quite the full height. So what you do, you line it up with the bottom. Now I'm not sure whether to pop this up or not, or whether to lay that flat and pop the bow up. I might pop it up to give it some dimension, and because I'm using dark cardstock, I'm not sure if I've said, this is Blackberry Bliss, this is Blushing Bride, and this paper is from the free pack of 12 by 12. I think it's 48 sheets that you can earn for free if you place a Stampin' Up order through my shop that's £150 or more. It's a host pack of paper. If you remember, I used one last year quite a lot. This is this year's host pack. So that's just going to go as central as possible on the front. And then you've got your bow, which I'm going to pop up. And again, I'm going to use dimensionals. I'm going to put a couple of dimensionals on the back, and I've got some small ones that I'm just going to pop on the ends of the tails. So this really does come together very quickly once you've cut your elements. So I'm going to pop this up over the top. So this is going to sit over the top of the bow. And then you've got this little tiny bit, which is a kind of oval, which is in the middle just to enhance the middle of the bow. And again, I'm going to pop that up on dimensionals. And I've just cut this in Blackberry Bliss as well, but you could cut it in the Blushing Bride if you wanted to. It's entirely up to you. Or you can leave it off, or you could put some, you know, a rhinestone or something there. So that's your Prersent shape card. So that's how that looks. So that's the Prersent shape card that's available in my ScanNCut cutting file shop over at applelover53.co.uk. Select the shop tab and then just scroll down to where it says ScanNCut cutting files, and you'll get all the elements to cut on your ScanNCut machine in whatever style or card or paper that you want to use. So please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you don't already do so, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.